Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set a custom photo filter in your store on Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started with accessing the shop manager. The shop manager is going to enable you to set up your store if you do not already have one, and if you have one, you can just get started accessing your store settings right here and editing it. So let's go and follow this article right here on the official Etsy Help Center on how to edit our listing photos. And here we are going to follow this article right here on how to edit our listing photos. So Etsy has partnered with image.ly, so you can edit your listing photos on the Etsy seller app with just a few taps. You have the seller application right here and how to save and add custom photo filters. So here we have the steps on how to add a custom photo filter. So when editing an image, you're going to select apply a photo filter. So you're going to open up your shop manager, as you can see right here in the listings, go into the listing section, open up your photo and video section, and then click to apply a new filter. So open up your shop manager just like I explained, find the photo you want to edit and click apply a photo filter. Choose the filter you want to from the list of custom photo filters, and once you're done, just go and save it, and your photos and filters are now going to show up in order from the list you recently used, and just like that you can apply a filter. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.